Are you struggling with diabetes, or are you worried about the risk? You're not alone. Millions around the world are facing this challenge, but I'm here to tell you there's hope. We've been told for years that diabetes is a life sentence, but I'm here to share a powerful truth. 90% of diabetes cases are preventable, and it all starts with what you put on your plate. You see, certain foods can wreak havoc on your blood sugar, sending it on a roller coaster ride that your body just can't handle. These foods lead to insulin resistance, a condition where your body becomes resistant to the very hormone that helps regulate your blood sugar. But the good news is, by making simple changes to your diet, you can regain control of your health and dramatically reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the 5 food culprits that are silently fueling the diabetes epidemic. I'll reveal the science behind why they're so harmful and empower you with the knowledge to make healthier choices. Let's start with a big one: sugary beverages. Think sodas, fruit juices, sports drinks, even those fancy coffee concoctions loaded with syrups and whipped cream. These drinks are practically liquid sugar bombs. When you gulp them down, your blood sugar skyrockets. And here's the problem: your body isn't designed to handle such a rapid influx of sugar. It releases a surge of insulin to try and mop up all that excess glucose in your bloodstream. Over time, constantly bombarding your system with sugary drinks forces your cells to work overtime. They become resistant to insulin's message, leading to a condition called insulin resistance. This is a slippery slope towards prediabetes and eventually full-blown type 2 diabetes. But there's good news. By simply swapping out sugary drinks for water, unsweetened tea, or even a refreshing infused water with slices of lemon or cucumber, you can dramatically reduce your sugar intake and give your pancreas a much-needed break. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding how these drinks impact your body, you can make informed choices that support your health. We all love a warm, comforting slice of bread. But here's the truth: not all bread is created equal. White bread and other refined grains like white rice and pasta have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients. This refining process leaves behind a simple carbohydrate that gets digested very quickly, leading to those dreaded blood sugar spikes we're trying to avoid. Imagine white bread as a fast-burning fuel, like kindling in a fire. It burns quickly and intensely, causing a sudden surge of energy, or in this case, blood sugar. On the other hand, whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and quinoa are like slow-burning logs. They provide sustained energy and keep you feeling fuller for longer, all while keeping your blood sugar levels stable. So, the next time you reach for bread, choose whole grains over refined ones. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 3. The Deep-Fried Danger Zone. Let's be honest, who doesn't love the occasional indulgence of fried foods? But these crispy treats are loaded with unhealthy fats, also known as trans fats, which can spell trouble for your blood sugar and overall health. Trans fats increase your bad cholesterol levels and decrease your good cholesterol, putting you at a higher risk for heart disease. And when it comes to diabetes, these unhealthy fats contribute to weight gain and increase insulin resistance. Now, I'm not saying you have to say goodbye to your favorite fried foods forever, but moderation is key. Opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming. And when you do indulge, choose foods that are fried in healthier oils, like olive oil or avocado oil. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Chapter 4. Processed Meats. A Hidden Sugar Trap. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats are often marketed as convenient breakfast or lunch options. But don't be fooled by their convenience. These processed meats are often loaded with hidden sugars, sodium, and preservatives that can wreak havoc on your blood sugar control. The high sodium content in processed meats can lead to water retention and increase blood pressure, putting extra stress on your heart and blood vessels. And let's not forget about the preservatives added to extend their shelf life. These chemicals can disrupt your gut health, which plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. So, next time you're craving a satisfying protein source, reach for healthier alternatives like grilled chicken, fish, beans, lentils, or tofu. Your body will thank you for nourishing it with wholesome, unprocessed foods. Chapter 5. The sweetened cereal Sabotage. Starting your day with a bowl of cereal might seem like a harmless breakfast choice, but many popular breakfast cereals are loaded with hidden sugars, even those marketed as healthy options. These sugary cereals cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar, followed by an equally rapid crash, leaving you feeling sluggish and craving more sugary treats throughout the day. It's like riding a blood sugar roller coaster, and trust me, it's not a fun ride. Instead of falling into the sugary cereal trap, opt for a breakfast that will fuel your body with sustained energy and keep your blood sugar stable. Think whole grain oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and nuts, a protein-packed smoothie with spinach and berries, or scrambled eggs with avocado and whole wheat toast. Remember, breakfast sets the tone for your entire day. Make it a healthy one. Outrow, reclaim your health. We've covered a lot of ground today, but I want you to leave with a sense of hope and empowerment. Remember, 90% of diabetes cases are preventable through lifestyle changes, and it all starts with the choices you make every day. By ditching these 5 food culprits, you're taking a powerful step towards protecting your health and reducing your risk of developing this chronic condition. Now, I know it can feel overwhelming to make changes to your diet, especially if you're used to eating certain foods. But I encourage you to start small. Begin by swapping out 1 sugary drink for water each day. Then, gradually incorporate more whole grains into your meals. Remember, every small step you take toward a healthier lifestyle is a victory. You have the power to take control of your health and live a vibrant, diabetes-free life.